When it comes to door installation, Glendale, AZ, our team of experts is second to none. We specialize in a wide range of services, including entry door services, door replacement, and door upgrade. Whether you're looking for custom doors or need assistance with door frame installation, our Glendale door experts are here to help. We pride ourselves on providing the best door services in Glendale, AZ, ensuring that every door is installed with precision and care. For those seeking sliding door installation in Glendale, our team offers top-notch services that guarantee smooth operation and durability. Sliding doors are a popular choice for many homeowners in Glendale, Arizona, due to their space-saving design and modern aesthetic. Our sliding door installation Glendale services ensure that your doors are not only functional but also enhance the overall look of your home. French doors are a timeless addition to any home, and our French Doors Glendale, Arizona services are designed to meet your specific needs. Whether you're looking to add elegance to your living space or improve access to your patio, our team can help you choose the perfect French doors for your home. We offer a variety of styles and finishes to match your existing decor and enhance your home's curb appeal. Patio doors are an essential feature for many homes in Glendale, AZ, providing easy access to outdoor spaces and allowing natural light to flood your interiors. Our Patio Doors Glendale, AZ services include expert installation and maintenance to ensure your doors remain in top condition. We offer a range of patio door options, from traditional sliding doors to modern bifold designs, all tailored to suit your specific needs. Door fitting Glendale services are crucial for ensuring that your doors operate smoothly and efficiently. Our team of professionals is skilled in door fitting, ensuring that every door is perfectly aligned and functions as intended. We understand the importance of proper door fitting in maintaining the security and energy efficiency of your home, and we strive to provide the highest quality service in Glendale, Arizona. Door maintenance Glendale, Arizona services are essential for prolonging the life of your doors and keeping them in optimal condition. Regular maintenance can prevent common issues such as misalignment, sticking, and wear and tear. Our team offers comprehensive door maintenance services, including door alignment, door sealing, and door insulation, to ensure your doors remain functional and energy efficient. As Glendale, Arizona door experts, we pride ourselves on delivering the best door services Glendale, AZ has to offer. Our team is dedicated to providing high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. Whether you need door installation, Glendale, replacement, or maintenance, we are your go-to source. Door replacement in Glendale, Arizona is made easy with our expert team. We offer a wide selection of doors to choose from, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home or business. Our Glendale door replacement experts are skilled in addressing any issues you may encounter, from minor adjustments to major replacements. Custom door installation Glendale, AZ are a great way to add a personal touch to your home. Our team can design and install doors that reflect your unique style and preferences. From traditional to modern designs, our custom doors are crafted with precision and attention to detail. We also offer door refinishing Glendale services to restore the beauty of your existing doors. Door painting Glendale, Arizona is an excellent way to refresh the look of your home. Our professional painting services ensure a flawless finish that enhances the curb appeal of your property. In addition to painting, we offer door weatherproofing Glendale, AZ services to protect your doors from the elements and extend their lifespan.